Cornwall College is a huge group in the southwest of England. We work really closely with our local employers to see the gaps that are coming up in the future. The investment of this new equipment through Seabury has just been pivotal in that. The main benefits, without doubt, it's sustainable, it's safer, and it gives us more capacity. But what it does give us that the real life welding doesn't is that ability to recap and formally assess yourselves as a learner. The ability to take this out into schools has been one of our choices around the purchases of this equipment. We have queues when we have a show there, you know, when we go to a school and we have an exhibition, they're queued back to have a go on it.
So Cornwall College has built its numbers in welding now. From when I started here about 4 years ago, we had about 60 apprentices. We now have 120, going up to about 160 this year, just in the engineering field. So Soldermatic has been an incredible part of our delivery for all of our students. It's not only allowed us to enhance the skills of our students here before they go down in the workshops, it's then we've been able to take the units out into schools to attract more young people into the trade. I think the students find it an incredible piece of equipment because it gives them live feedback, so they can replay what they've done, which you can't do on a normal welding set. Environmentally as well, it's incredible for us. It saves us money, saves us time, a game changer for us here at Cornwall College. Thinking about progressing now onto the robotic welding side of things. Lots of our companies do production line welding, which we will need to train the welders in how to use these units. So I think the Soldermatic welding robot will be fundamental in that process going forward.
So we build, refit and repair super yachts, usually from about 30 to 90 metres, both here in Falmouth and at our yard in Villanova near Barcelona. Our collaboration with Cornwall College has been for the last 25 years. It's 25 years of apprenticeships here at Pendennis Shipyard. It's 35 years of Pendennis, so we've been here a little while. And we work really closely with Cornwall College to make sure that the skills training and the development we do, especially with our young people for our apprentices, is what we need, you know, in terms of our growth. Without the development of the skills with Cornwall College, we wouldn't be able to do what we do.
Cornwall College really helped me become more prepared for real jobs in the engineering sort of world. I'd never done any engineering prior to this apprenticeship, just sort of made me feel a lot more confident.
So I've been using the Soldermatic for the past year or so. We've used it in our own training, so to build our own confidence, make us more aware of the health and safety issues around welding, aware of like waste material. But then it's also been really useful in school trips with younger students, so you can take it anywhere. You can take it into the school, there's no problem with like the health and safety side of it. You can show the younger generation of how to work in an environment that's dangerous, but still give them the same understanding.
Soldermatic, not only does it give you a real work environment, but they actually enjoy it. You know, everybody, especially the apprentices, think it's great fun to use. You know, it's something we've taken to careers events as well, and it's something which I think is the way ahead for us in terms of preparing our young people.